Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be doing another Pinterest video. I think a couple months ago I did the recreating Pinterest outfits, but today we are going to be doing recreating Pinterest hairstyles. One thing about myself, I'm not the greatest at doing hair. Plus, this is my natural hair. I don't really know what you'd call it. It's sort of curly, sort of wavy, very frizzy. Yeah. So I think I have about 3 hairstyles here that I'm going to attempt to recreate. Let's just see how it goes. Okay, so I'm gonna pop the first hairstyle right up here. The only issue is her hair is very straight and it's pretty long, and my hair is the complete opposite. So this may turn out bad, I don't know, but let's get started. Does she have her hair? Okay, wow, I look superb with the middle part right now. She's twisting 2 pieces and then like putting them back like that. Okay, so I wonder if that's gonna be like a decent enough length. Ties it. She must, I'm confused. I'm already confused, it's going great. All right, bam. Darn it, my pieces are too short. Okay, I think it might actually work this time because I have longer pieces now. So what she's doing now is she's taking like the rest of the ponytail and like flipping it in underneath, I guess. Still think my pieces are too short, but we're still gonna do it. But I feel like this is gonna result in my hair being knotted for the rest of my life. Wow, guys, they're so similar. Whoa. My hair's too short for this. That's as good as it's gonna get. Time to move on to the ponytail. What is she doing? It's just a regular pony. Okay. let's do the big reveal, everyone. Ta-da! Okay, so realistically, my hair is too short for this hairdo. Unfortunately, I do think it's super cute and I actually really like this hairstyle, but I feel like if I had my extensions in, it would probably work a lot better. Unfortunately, that one was a little bit of a flop.
Ow. Ow. I got it.
Moving on to the next hairstyle, it's like this braid crown kind of thing, and it looks super pretty and it doesn't look that hard. Then again, the last one I thought was gonna be easy too, so. My hair like this. Okay, that looks wonderful. Okay, so next she just braids like a piece of her hair and then kind of wraps it around to the other side. I think I actually like did it. Like pulls on the hair. Okay. Right. Okay, cool. It looks like she just pins it with a bobby pin. There's the braid. I don't think it looks that bad. Now we do another braid on the other side. I'm just gonna leave a little bit of hair. Like that much hair. Yeah, that's kind of cute. What does she do with this? What? In under the other braid? My hair is in under the other braid. I don't think my braids are like big enough. Oh my god, what is my hair doing? What is that? What is this? Where did that come from? Right. Okay, I'm a little scared to turn around. Here we go. Okay, why does mine look nothing like hers? I think the thing is, again, with this one, my hair is too short to like actually wrap around and completely go under the other braid. So it's not like overlapping like it should. It's turning into quite the fail. And like you can't even see my braid here. What the heck? So this is not going as smoothly as I thought it would. Can we redeem ourselves though? I saved what looks to be the hardest for last. It's cute, but I feel like, does anyone actually do this when they wake up in the morning? Like, I feel like, today I'm gonna do a hair bow. I normally do a bun. That's my go-to. Hoping my hair is long enough for this. So my hair is looking a little bumpy, but then she splits her bun into like 2 pieces. Does mine look anything like hers? No? Okay. And then she takes a piece and wraps it, wraps it around. Okay, I'm a little confused how she wraps that around. I'm gonna have to do this again. I'm just a little confused how she bobby pins it down without the bobby pins being like seen. We're just gonna have to go with the flow, I guess. Wow guys, it looks so good. Why does mine look nothing like a bow? Okay, first of all, how does she get those bobby pins in these two pieces right here without being seen, is my question. Ow! Okay, so here are a few things that I figured out while doing these hairstyles. 1, I'm really bad at following instructions. 2, these hairstyles really don't work with shorter hair. So I think I failed at every single one. I told you guys, I'm not good at doing hair. I'm not. When it comes to hair, I normally just throw it up in a bun. I have to say, I'm super lazy when it comes to doing my hair. The thought of doing this like every day, no. Okay guys, I know this video is kind of a fail. I really did not succeed at these Pinterest hairstyles. Let me know if you guys want to see a part 2 to this video. I may actually put my extensions in then, just to give it a go with like longer hair and different hairstyles. Anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe if you did. Also give this video a big like down below. Also go ahead and follow me on Instagram. All of that will be linked down below as well. I hope you guys have a really great day and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys! That was supposed to be a really cool chair spin and it the last one was. Braid on the other. Oh, almost knocked my glasses off. I'm breaking a sweat here just trying to get these hairstyles down. Ow, you know when you're like wearing shorts and you're sitting on a leather chair and like you stick to it? Oh, that just happened to me and I think I ripped like half my skin off. Ow, ow.